We are looking up at this clutch that we are going to replace because it's been contaminated with oil. The clutch pressure plate is held on with bolts around the periphery and dowel pins. So we're going to start by unfastening the pressure plate. So to prepare for installing the new clutch, the replacement clutch, we're going to clean off the flywheel with some brake cleaner. Then we're going to put a little bit tiny dab of grease on each one of the dowels. So now I've got the clutch, disc, and the pressure plate together, and see if I can get these lined up properly. Okay, so I got one dowel, got the second dowel, and do I have the third dowel? Where is it? Okay, so I've got the pressure plate on the dowels, and it's just going to stay up there, and I can get all of the bolts started and then tighten them down. Okay, before I tighten down the pressure plate, I use the alignment tool to get the clutch disc centered as best I can, and I do this equally by feel and by sight. And once I have it where I want it, I can tighten down these bolts. After that, I will not be able to move the clutch disc any longer. Once I have the bolts all snug, I can move on to the torque wrench. These are small bolts. They're like M8 by 1 1/4. So the appropriate torque for these is 15 to 20 foot-pounds, no more than that.